Are you frustrated with your pillow? You know, there's nothing like getting a good night's sleep. But if you're having difficulty sleeping, or if you're waking up with neck pain, it might be time for you to replace yours. Most pillows in the market are made from foam, fiber, or feathers, or a combination thereof, but your goal is to find one that actually cradles your head and aligns your spine. Now, many pillows can feel great at first, and within the first few days start causing you neck pain, like these memory foam pillows. They are so heavy and thick that your head can't sink into them, and what happens when you're sleeping on them, they end up pushing your head away from the bed, not aligning your spine, but instead causing you a lot of strain and neck pain. I'm Dr. David Wipperman from Ballas Chiropractic and Nutrition Center, and the types of pillows that I make available in my office are these orthopedic contour type pillows. Now, they're designed to cradle your head and align your spine, whether you sleep on your side or on your back, and whether you have a short neck or a long neck. If you have any questions, I provided our contact information for you below. My office is located in Creve Coeur, Missouri, 1 block south of Olive Boulevard off North New Ballas Road. Please give us a call or come visit us so I can help you get a comfortable night's rest.